Okay, here we go. Let's talk about set it and forget it. This is the dream we all have when it comes to buying something, right? We want to make an investment and never have to do anything about it and get all the results. It should just provide the value we're looking for without requiring any effort. It's kind of like a smoke alarm, something that works automatically in the background. But here's the reality with Dubb. While it is a powerful tool, you do need to make an initial investment in your mindset and in setting up your account. You'll need to configure things like your calls to action, your AI assistant, and your branding. These are essential steps to help you set up your account for success. The biggest reason for this is that every video you create on Dubb is automatically turned into a video landing page. As soon as you hit record and finish your video on any of our tech, whether it's the desktop app, the mobile app, or the website, a landing page is automatically generated. On that landing page, you'll have your video, your call to action, your AI assistant, your playlist, all with your branding and ready to go and be shared. We've made it easy for you to pre-configure presets on all your specific activities. For example, you can set up a preset for prospecting, one for nurturing, one for client closing, one for communication, one for collecting reviews and testimonials, one for getting referrals, even one for getting podcast bookings. The list goes on. The reason why it's important to configure your presets is because it allows you to customize your landing page with specific videos, playlists, call to action, and your AI assistant, all of which will help you achieve your goals. The most successful Dubb users have presets pre-configured for all of their primary activities. We encourage you to invest the time into setting up your presets so that the videos you create are as effective and efficient as possible. Once you have your presets configured, all you need to do is select the preset from the video edit page with one just click, and then you can associate that preset with your video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below on how you can stay consistent with your video communication. You'll also find a link in the description to upgrade to the Dubb Pro Plus account where you can join us for live coaching and more advanced features. We look forward to your success. See you at the next video.